What is going on, everyone? This is the Faceless Hobo. The lockdown has forced everyone to stay at home, so meeting new people could be a difficult process. You're probably meeting new people on Tinder, Bumble, or any other dating sites. The one thing common about all these dating sites is that you need to know how to carry a conversation with the other person through text. But I've seen many people who make simple and easily avoidable mistakes that cause them to lose a chance over what would have been a perfect partner. And so today, I'm going over 10 tips every guy needs to know when texting a girl. But before we get into it, don't forget to leave a like down below. So let's hop into it. So the first tip when it comes to texting is not how to text, but when. When it comes to replying to a girl, never wait more than a few minutes to reply back, unless you're genuinely busy. I've seen dudes talk about how you should not text back immediately because it makes you look like a simp. And I agree, but not for the same reasons. You need to show her that you are not some random dude chilling in his joggers playing video games all day, even if that's exactly what you're doing. You need to show her that you have a life besides her, but at the same time, you should not let your pride come in the way of a girl. Wait for a few minutes and reply back, and if you're really busy, text her the moment you're free and explain her. If she wants to talk to you as much as you do, she'll understand. But don't make a habit of it. If you're the type of guy who cannot come to the phone for an extended period of time, set aside some free time to talk to her. She'll really appreciate you spending some of your time off the busy schedule just for her. The second tip is to move away from dating sites and into her personal chats. As I said before, you might be meeting new people over these dating sites. The disadvantage of being a guy in this day and age is that you have a lot of competition. So the fact that she chose you over others says a lot about you. You should not waste your time talking to her through the app. Every day you spend your time on that app, the competition increases. So the best thing you can do in this situation is to ask for her number and talk in a personal chat. This would not only work in your favor since now she doesn't need a reason to go to that site anymore, but this would also help you figure out whether you want to take this to the next level or not. The third thing you need to remember while texting a girl is to move from a text to a meet as soon as you can. You need to realize that just like you, there are many guys out there looking for her attention while hiding their faces. So when you request her to meet somewhere, this shows her that you are really serious about this and not like the other 20 guys in her DMs. I know that due to the lockdown, it has become very difficult to meet somebody, but you can always switch to video calls. You not only need to make her realize that you are not like the others who likes to hide their face, but also help you figure out that the person you're talking to is a genuine person and not just some prank. The next tip is something that many of you might be familiar with. In fact, I believed this texting rule for a long time, and that is the 2-day rule. For those who do not know this, the 2-day rule implies that when you ask for a girl number, it is a rule that you must wait at least 2 days before you talk to them. This rule is BS. Sure, if you want to be a badass, someone who thinks that just because you got her number, she likes you and she'll wait for you, go right ahead and follow this dumb rule. But for the regular people out there, this rule is just out there to show the male ego to the world. And as I said before, ego has no place in the relationship. Obviously, don't start texting her the minute you get her number, but also don't wait for 2 days before talking to her. Just text her whenever you feel like it's time to talk. Fifth tip is to type clearly. I am guilty when it comes to incorrect typing. I've had my fair shares of embarrassing moments, but only among friends. When it comes to a girl, someone I like, I make sure I triple check the sentence before I hit send. You need to know that once you post the message, it's out there. I know that you can delete your messages and all that, but if you're having a genuine conversation with that person, chances are she's already read through the text before you deleted it. Now she thinks of you as a sick person just because you wanted some duck. The next tip is to compliment her. Who doesn't like a little compliment every now and then? But there's a trick to it. Obviously, you cannot compliment her on her looks since you cannot see her. So saying you look amazing sounds really weird. Your compliment should be more about how she is and not how she looks. Compliments make a girl feel good about herself and makes her like you more. But don't be a weirdo and keep on complimenting her in every conversation you have. Wait for the right opportunity and anything you say will seem sweet to her. Now, the seventh tip is for the situations when you have been talking to a girl for some time. After a few days of texting back and forth, stop texting for a few hours. This will result in two things. First of all, she will go crazy and think of all the reason why you aren't talking to her. Now, this might seem cruel, but just think about it logically. You tend to crave what you don't have. This is the same mentality girls have. When they feel like they can't have you, they want you even more. And secondly, this will show you whether she really wants to be your girlfriend or just wants to waste your time. The eighth tip is to ask questions. Usually, the conversation feels genuine and real for the first few texts, after which the fear of what to talk about now comes in. This is a normal situation. All the necessary topics to talk about have been dealt with. This is where the questions come in. You need to ask her as many questions as you can about her. Ask more questions based on the answer she gives. This helps in continuing the conversation as well as helping you in getting to know her better. The ninth texting tip you need to know is how to make a girl laugh. If you can make a girl laugh, you can make her fall in love with you. Laughing is a sign that she is comfortable around you and wants to know you more. But remember, you do not need to undermine yourself, others, or even offend someone just for her to laugh at your jokes. And if she's the type of girl who likes such things, she's not for you. And the final texting tip you need to know to get her to like you is to be sure. Make sure you like the person you're texting before you do. You need to realize that if you are texting her, you're not only wasting someone's time, but also toying with their emotions. Do not talk to women just because you're bored. And this tip goes both ways. If you're bored, don't talk to someone you generally wouldn't talk to. You need to be sure that you really like the person before you text or reply her. And that's basically it. These are the 10 texting tips every guy needs to know. If you like this video and found it informative, don't forget to hit that like button down below. Also, don't forget to subscribe to become a part of the Faceless community. That's it for me today. See you guys next time.